raise your right hand and repeat after me. And you on Zoom as well, please. Okay, repeat after me. I state your name. Do solemnly swear to uphold the bylaws and policies of the Key West Botanical Garden Society, and that I will faithfully execute the duties of a member of the Board of Directors to the best of my ability, and conduct myself in a manner befitting of the garden and my office. And I will endeavor always to promote the good name and standing of the garden. You can put your hand down. Congratulations and best success in your roles this coming year. Thank you so much.
Well, wait a minute, Bernard. Come here. Now, I want you at some point to go back and look at our children's garden, our children's playground. This guy pretty much almost single-handedly got that thing done. There were a bazillion nuts and bolts, 1,000 parts, 20 pages of directions, and he is an engineer and construction superintendent superior to no one. He could not get in the little tunnel up in top to finish all the little bolts and things. He's a big guy, but he did recruit Karen's grandson to get in there and do it in the middle of the summer in the bright sun. So again, Bernard, thank you so much.
Let me interject here. Ed was out there the first 2 weekends in the pouring rain. Remember earlier last year in the spring when it poured and poured and poured? You were out there, and we just going, oh, look at all these parts, look at all these parts.
I've never seen so many. It was like a IKEA on steroids. It was just like amazing. Thank you.
Oh, no, you're welcome. Thank you.
With that, just a few closing comments on my part.